Greetings everyone. My name is Wilson Gomez and I am currently studying international business. Today I am very excited to be able to share with you some of my experience studying international business so far and my future prospects. Uh, I am currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in international business and I am focused on managing cross-border business operations. As a student in this program, I gain insight into the various culture, political system, and economy environment that influence the field of business all over the world. The international business program is very dynamic and challenging, demanding a high degree of flexibility and adaptability. In this role, collaborating with professionals of very nationalities and background, and being able to communicate it effectively in multiple languages. In my program, we learn about topics such as international trade, global finance, intercultural communication, and business strategies. We also have the opportunity to participate in an internship and study abroad program, which allows to gain practical experience in the fields. During my first 3 semesters of studying international business, I gained insight into the importance of culture sensitivity and effective communication in the arena of international business. In addition, I developed a deeper understanding of the global economy, trade policies, and international business strategies. Looking ahead, I am very excited about the possibilities that my career in international business can open up for me. I look forward to working for a multinational company operating in different countries and regions, and be able to use my skill and knowledge to help the company succeed in a global market. Thank you for listening to my history about my career in international business. I sincerely hope that it has inspired many to consider following a similar path and be prepared to meet the challenges and seize the opportunities there, there is in an increasing globalized